How to make money with dropshipping with no money, no experience, and no skill. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the ways that I used to make money online when I was just starting. And if you're a beginner, this is actually a good way to start making money with dropshipping because you don't need any experience, you don't need any special skills, you don't need any expensive softwares, you don't need a website, you don't need domain name, you don't need any of that. Because we are actually going to use Facebook to get targeted free traffic to promote our dropshipping products. And trust me guys, this works. And also I'm going to show you exactly what I did so you can replicate that and you can also start making money with dropshipping totally free. Okay, so with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing I did, I found a product to dropship. And to be honest with you, this is the hardest part because it is not that easy to find a good product that you can dropship. And to be honest with you, I spent days, literally days, searching for that product. So this is what I did. I simply went on Google and then here in search bar, I simply start typing letters. So I came to the letter B. So simply start typing back, okay? Back. And here you can see there are mostly movies, back workouts and stuff like that, so there are no products. And then I came to letter S and then to letter E, okay? And here you can see back seat gun holder. Okay, this looks interesting, right? So I clicked here and actually I didn't know what this is. So I simply clicked here on images and here I saw this is what it is. This is actually a gun holder for your car. And I'm guessing that mostly hunters are actually using this. So I simply went back here on Google and I actually copied this. And then I went on AliExpress to see are there any products like this on AliExpress that I can actually dropship. So I simply pasted it here and click search. And here you can see there are products like this. There are backseat gun holders. And here you can see some of these are costing just $7, as you can see here, $14, $23, $9, and so on and so on. And then I actually wanted to see, does anybody sell this in United States? So I simply went on Amazon and searched exactly the same thing here on Amazon and press enter. And here you can see, yes, there are people who are selling this on Amazon, but there are not that many people who are actually selling that, okay? So another thing I went on Walmart. And here I searched exactly the same thing, backseat gun holder. And here I actually found there are many products like this. Here you can see $31. And when you scroll here you can see $36, $25, $25, and so on and so on. And like I said, when you scroll here, $31. So I went back on AliExpress and here you can see this one is similar and it costs only $9. And when you scroll here, this one is also similar to this one on Walmart and it costs only $15, actually $14.71. So there are products like this that are selling in United States, which means people are actually buying this because as you can see, there is many like this on Walmart and everybody in the United States buys stuff like this in Walmart, right? And I can actually find that on AliExpress much cheaper. So what you need to do, you simply need to order at least 10 of these and get it shipped to your home. And then you need to start promoting that and you need to start selling that. But I actually wanted to check the potential of this to see how many people actually searching backseat gun holder. So I simply went on href keyword generator and I pasted that here. Find keyword, confirm that I'm not robot. Okay, I need to find bicycle. This is bicycle. Next. Okay, traffic light. This is annoying, but you have to do this because this is a free software. And here you can see 200 people is searching this every month in United States. So I wanted to see, does anybody actually search this on YouTube as well? So I simply went on vidIQ and searched exactly the same thing. And here you can see 2,300 people, almost 2,400 people is searching this every month on YouTube, which means this actually has a potential. I can sell these things. I can sell these gun back holders. I can sell them and I can make money. So what you need to do now, like I said, you need to order at least 10 of these to be shipped to your home so you can ship that to your buyers. So to find buyers, you can simply go on Facebook and then click here on Marketplace. and here you need to list that for sale. Now to list that for sale, simply click here on create new listing, and here item for sale, because we are selling item, right? And here you need to add photos. Just click here and add a photo. And for title, you can simply, let's just say I wish to promote, let's just say for example this one here. Click here and you can literally copy this title here, okay? Just copy this, sorry about that. Just copy this, Control C, and you can paste that here, okay, for the title. And you can also use these images here and use them for your listing on Facebook. Here you can add a price. Here when you go on Walmart, we will see that this costs $31, $30.99. You can simply list that. You can say, for example, let's just say, for example, $24, because like I said, here we can see it is selling for $31 on Walmart, and on Amazon there is almost no one who is actually selling that. So that means we can actually sell this product. Category, you need to find the right category. So let me just scroll through these categories to find the right category. Okay, so let me just scroll. Okay, sports and outdoors, because like I said, mostly hunters are using this. Condition, new, because this is new product. Okay, brand, it is optional. If you know the brand, you can add the brand. Description, again, just go back here on AliExpress and you can use this description here that you can find features. You can use that as a description. Here you can find more informations and you can use that as a description. Here you can see availability, single item, product tags, you can add them, it is optional. SKU, you can add it, it is optional. And when you click here, you can actually change the location. You can choose your own country, your own city. You can choose different city. Let's just say, for example, Los Angeles, okay, okay, Los Angeles, California. Here you can see how your ad looks. Here you can see, and here you can choose the range 50 miles from Los Angeles, California, or only in Los Angeles, California, okay? But like I said, you can choose different cities. You can list it also in Chicago, New York, New Orleans, Miami, Seattle, and so on and so on. You can even list it in Canada. Doesn't really matter. You don't need to live in those countries in order to list that product, okay? So this is one way that you can use to promote your dropshipping product. Now another way is to actually find buy and selling groups. So simply click here on search and click, and then simply find buy and selling groups in your niche, and then click here on groups, and here you can see I search for hunting, buy, sell, and trade groups, and here you can see used hunting gear for sale or trade, 16,000 members. Here you can see 67,000, 23,000 members. Here you can see 5,000, 6,000, 115,000 members. So people are buying hunting gears and hunting stuff. You can make good money. And let me just open one of these groups so I can show you how this actually looks. So let's say, for example, this one here, it has 23,000 members. And here you can see how this group actually looks. And here you can see people are listing different kind of hunting related gears that you can buy from them. And also some people are searching different kind of stuff because they wish to buy that, but they cannot find it anywhere. So they come here on Facebook groups and they are actually asking, does anybody sell something like that? And you can list your product that you are drop shipping from AliExpress. Just click here on post and you can create a post. You can add a photo. You can also add a description of the product. In this case, this is a backseat gun holder. You can add photos, you can add description, and you can also tell them to send you a message so you can arrange the price that best fits them. And you can also offer, like I said, these people will mostly go on Walmart and they will see this is $31, but you will list it for $24 here on Facebook. So people will buy it from you. It is that easy, it is that simple. And after you list it in this group, all you have to do is just open this another group, this group here, and this group here, and this group here, and try to list that product, this product here that you are promoting from, that you are drop shipping from AliExpress. Try to list it on all of these Facebook groups, and also try to list it on as many as you can cities on Marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace, on as many as you can cities. That I know it takes time, it takes work, it is annoying to do all same thing in all of these cities and in all of these groups here, but that is something that you have to do. And trust me, if you do that this way, you will start making money with dropshipping. Even if you are a beginner, even if you don't have any experience and any skill, you will start making money with dropshipping. This is exactly what I did. Like I said, hardest part is to find the right product to promote, right? Find the right product to dropship. After you do that, all the other things are much, much easier. So this is how you make money with dropshipping with no money, no experience, no skill. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.